Hey Diecast lovers, it's Marcus and it's time for pack hunting. If you are new on the channel, don't forget to subscribe and leave like. And now, let's do it. Let's have a look what we can find today. Okay. Aston Martin, Toyota, water bumper. Look at this. Wow, you see the painting. I like that one. Shelby, Toyota, BMW, Roach, Ford pickup. Okay. Whoa, it's the pink one as well, nice color. Batman, Camaro, a different color. Supra. Good catch for today. Like I keep them. 149 for custom. Okay, so Camaro, you see, and Lotus, yeah. Camaro, Batman, come on, Relicta. Something new, but looks really nice. This fish. Okay, I take this one as well. So let's have a look. Oh, sorry. So this come on. Okay. So this new series. Logos. Volvo. Let's have a look for this Volvo now. Acura with different color. Batman. Okay. So today I just take this two, and to be honest, this Beast Air. I take this one as well because I like this casting. So this three for today. So guys, that's it. We got very good perk hunting today. It's new case. I find three nice mine line So I hope you enjoyed the video. If yes, I'd be very appreciated if you leave like, subscribe, and see you next soon. Take care, guys.
Let it go.